Hey!
Yeah, there we go.
Man, we trying to have a barbecue and it starts raining. Are you serious?
6:14.
American can play the poker? Come on, dude.
Just see you.
Man, we trying. Oh shit.
JP.
Yeah, so what's up? Wait to them.
Yeah, what's up?
Damn. Bro came to Tesla. Yeah, when they touch down. We're in the Beverly Hills of China. Appreciate it. Okay. Oh, nah, this is crazy. I like this. Hello. Nice little garden, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're about to do a house tour on my our brand new house we just bought, $5 million. Came with an elevator.
Yeah, this is the ping pong table.
Vibes.
我有还有麻将是吧？这么牛逼！你教他们打麻将吗？
没有，我妈他们这样打。Yeah, and this is the karaoke room. Maybe we can sing. Yeah, maybe we can sing tonight. But the elevator is too slow. It's a big elevator.
And the elevator got a mirror in it. Our elevator don't even got a mirror. It barely want to go up.
The doors don't even.
我操，你们这个电梯有点吓人啊！
炒菜了吗
We got stuck in the
？Maybe
elevator.
we are overweight. I don't know. Oh, she said 5 person.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 400 kilograms.
Yeah, there we go.
几个人呢？
我操，应该 I think it is over.
We just got stuck in the elevator. Oh!
We should just leave it.
或举行电梯。To see my cat. Your cat? Yeah. There's no.
Oh, he's
我操，
two
这是
different
毛
color
菜啊！
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big boy. It's like, what's all these foreigners in here?
那么高。This is
That's a real cell.
Oh, you got a bunch of jerseys.
that's because there are many hills right there.
Oh wow, you got water out there. It's a nice little view. Hey, okay, do your little celebration move. We out here cooking, we out here grilling, you know? So, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Out here with the guys. What up, Trey? Damn, Trey said F y'all. Cooking. We got the chefs.
Hello.
Cheers. What we cheering to?
More life.
More life? More life in China? I can cheers to that. More life in China. Man, we trying to have a barbecue and it starts raining. Are you serious? Oh snap, my bad. Trying to have a barbecue and it's out here raining. Ah.
Poster out here.
Man, we trying. Oh shit. The vibes with Mr. Glesner. What up? Yeah. Look at the fit. What's on that shirt? Show him the shirt.
96 Orange.
Yes, sir. Yep. You know what I'm saying?
Really? You know how to...
If I played 2 games, I would be good.
Okay.
It'll come back. It'll come back.
But nah, you got it. That's cool. He got that beer in his cup and got him activated. You know.
Yeah, and he's had no beers.
And you get one.
Hey guys, do you want to eat a chocolate ice cream cake? Ice cream cake.
I do not like chocolate, but
Okay.
I'm sure.
How about
these
you?
guys do.
How about you?
Chocolate ice cream cake. Chocolate.
11.
Yeah.
I don't like chocolate either.
Okay.
American can play the poker? Come on, dude.
Cause you know I walk 1,000 miles if I can just see you.
Talk to him, Jordan. And I miss you. And I need you. What's up, Carol? Side to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
You didn't see your face? Don't want to see your face.
No, hell no.
That's crazy.
He with the, it's with the Asian. Yo.
What is that supposed to mean?
It's with the Asian.
Yo, she just texted me
yo.
this.
You said what?
I'm talking to the vlog. Hold on, I'm trying to focus.
Well, I can't talk to the vlog because I just woke up.
He with the agents. Yup. Exo Carell.
Yep.
Y'all go follow her. But
How
yeah,
you enjoying your trip?
I'm coolin'. I'm here with my boy
I
Jordan.
can't believe you're. Hey.
You said what?
I can't believe. I think aren't you not like a teacher or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. Okay. How's it going? Do you like your job?
The job likes me, and I appreciate
Okay.
it.
Are you at least getting paid?
No. No.
Hi, vlog.
You know, this is Miss Kaylee Anders for the people that don't know. You know,
This is Miss Kaylee Anders.
I was just checking in on a friend since she don't think about Izzy. You know, this is one of the most realest, fakest friends I have. You know,
How am I the realest thing?
realest,
I love
fakest.
Izzy.
Right.
My favorite Izzy. It's so mean.
Izzy's my favorite. Right. But now the vlog was asking about you, so I had to put you on the vlog.
The vlog was asking about me.
I was asking about those like where the Quater Miles president at. I was like, give me a second, let me call him. Because they want shows and stuff out here. They want you to book some clubs out here. So yeah. So you gotta schedule that private jet and bring all your artists on board.
Oh, okay. I got that.
Yeah.
I got that.
How's everything doing, Kaylin?
How is it? I want to know how everything's going for you.
The vlog can't hear you. Hold on. I'm about to. You said what?
I said I want to know how everything's going for you.
Oh, for me? Sheesh. Man, life is just. Steven never picks up his phone. Yeah, this is 5th grade. Miss Kaylin.
True.
5th grade.
Oh no.
You on the vlog, 5th grade.
Oh no. True.
Well, you lost in somebody's cabin?
No.
They kidnapped you?
No.
Spell help if you need help.
Help.
Yo, we about to call Lance. We about to call Lance Stevenson, man. You know, it's been a little minute. I got this man number in the cut. Let's see if he picks up. Damn, that's wicked.
Bye.
See ya, Izzy. I'm staying here.
You didn't say bye. You didn't say bye.
See you tomorrow.
Yep.
Remember this.
You didn't say
Yeah,
bye.
no, text me where I gotta go. I'll probably.
American can play the poker? Come on, dude.
Subscribe, y'all. Subscribe, share, no, like, comment, subscribe. Did I miss something?
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
With your aunties, your uncles, your professors, your dad, your mother, just everybody, okay? Everybody.
Appreciate y'all for tuning in these vlogs. We're gonna keep dropping these content for y'all. We got more vlogs on the way. Y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends, all your family. Let's run these numbers up, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, any last words?
Bangers to come.
Bangers to come. No cap. Y'all have a good night. See y'all later.
It'll go fresh, I'm sponsored by Nike, I keep me a tip. It's hard to stay humble when you know when you next. I'm putting in pain, I ain't got time for rest. I'm chilling with Izzy, but shit never Izzy. Been through the mud, only way you can get me tipsy. Liquor.